So if we go to the Vrbo HomeAway website, if you go to the Health and Safety tab, you get these new questions now related to COVID-19 and cleanliness practices. If you answer yes to the first questions about having enhanced clean safety measures, you're going to get further questions down, like is the property clean with disinfectants? Are guests able to check in, check out without any person-to-person contact, which is basically self-check-in, contactless entry. Also, is property unavailable for a certain amount of time? That clearly has to do with booking buffers. And if you say yes, then I'll ask you whether this booking buffer is for 24, 48, 72 hours. So this look like very simple questions, but again, it does mean, for example, that you do need to, for instance, yes, you do need to have, for example, a booking buffer, turnover period of about at least 24 hours to say yes. And then same thing for check-in, check-out. You need to be able to